Hi friends, let me show you this pager, this elderly monitoring system that I received for reviewing purposes. It has this main receiver where the signals will go on. This is the, the clip that will help you to put it, if you want to put it in the wall, or if you just want to have it by the place where the caregiver is. This unit has to be connected with this micro USB cable and this USB-A cable to a electric outlet, and you get two emergency buttons. One of them could be wear by the elderly person in the neck, so he or she can call. And if you want, you could remove this sticker and put it in the restroom, in the shower, by the bed of the elderly person, so they can call for help, okay? So you pair everything through an app. We are going to show you how we do it. And this is a great way of having peace of mind when an elderly person is living with some emergency necessities, or if he or she needs something, they can call you with these emergency buttons. Let's try it.
Okay friends, so we have already installed the pager and configured with operation manual. As you can see, it has the cable connected right into the energy, and now this LED light means that it's on. So we're gonna press the call button to see how it is the sound of the pager. So let's go. As you can see, the volume is up, so you can hear it any place where you are. So we're gonna demonstrate how you can use both of the buttons to call. So we have the pager installed here in our office. Okay, here we are at the restroom, and as you can see, the bottom is on one side of the toilet. So if you can stand up, or for any reasons you need it here, you can just press the button and hear the pager even you're away from the pager. You already have right there. So another way you can use the call button is hanging it around your neck with this lace that comes included with the pager. So if you can fall or you've got any accident, you can just press the button that is hanging around your neck. So now that I've shown you how you could use the pager and how you can hang on different parts the call button, I want to show you how the app looks, what's the message that you receive when the button is pressed on the app, and how you can turn it off or get the different settings that it's available on the app. So